Hey guys, so today it is Monday, October 7th, so lunchtime. Gonna be doing this one today, and this is the last recipe for this week. Cauliflower and chickpea coconut curry. And so this seems to be a pretty stupid simple recipe. The hardest work seems to be just toasting the naan bread, because they serve this with naan bread. And so yeah, and what the heck, they got this a demi-glaze thing going on. So if I ever want to make this recipe again, it's like the only thing I don't know how to do is this demi-glaze thing, because I don't know how they make it. So, and they don't say how they make the demi-glaze. And so yeah, I'm gonna go away and do this recipe, and I'll be right back, you guys. Hey guys, so today it is Monday, October 7th, 2019, and so I got a day off today. And so today is the last of this week's meal subscription box series, and I'm cooking this cauliflower curry. I'm in a chickpea curry. And so this time, I think it is my first time with the curry dish with these guys. And so yeah, and I haven't had curry for so long with these guys. I haven't had curry for so long, in like forever. And so yeah, and that is why I decided to choose this dish. And it's a very stupid, simple recipe, just 4 steps. Like, I do not really think it's even a recipe, because it's like basically it's just throw everything into a pan, like my kind of cooking. So yeah, so let's dig in. And also additionally, what I did was because one of the weeks I had a failed recipe because the recipe went bad on me, and so I had an extra can of coconut milk, and so I added an extra can of coconut milk, and I added my own curry powder additionally to make it more spicy. And I've never had chickpea curry before, so let's get started. And it's got spinach and stuff in it, you guys. Mmm. Mmm. Like, this was sort of like a mea so-so recipe. It's like, you could tell that they got the naan bread from the grocery store and they just packed it like that. And so, yeah, it's like, whatever. I did not expect them to be making their own naan bread. Mm. I wish that instead of naan bread, though, I wish there was rice instead, though. This would go perfectly with rice. Mm. So how are you guys doing today? So for today, because I worked like 7 days in a row because I picked up an extra shift on the last Wednesday. So on the 8th day, I'm just deciding to rest in and just relax and Nothing too exciting. Do you guys like curry? What is your favorite curry dish, you guys? So it's like what? This is like my 4th week or 5th week with this recipe things. How are you guys liking the programming? Like, I show you that I make these things. I show it to you. I show the packaging to you of each meal subscription. And then I eat and hang out with you guys afterwards. It's like, do you guys like this new programming? I am surely enjoying it myself because I'm like trying out different recipes and stuff like that instead of just dumplings all the time. Because, you know, when you're single people cooking like me, it's like the ideas get kind of boring, right? So over the 4 or 5 weeks, I actually did have a few new recipe ideas and stuff like that. If I ever have date nights or something, I'm gonna pull out some of these ideas. It's like, good luck with that. Mm. Do you guys watch the Gabe TV channel on YouTube? Like, I watch so many YouTube channels, you guys. It's like, sometimes it's hard to keep track of who's who and what's what. I just got the notification, the Gabe TV, they just have a new video. Like, if you look at my older videos when I done Indian food before, I used to go to this one Indian restaurant for delivery. They made awesome fish curry. I absolutely love their fish curry. But possibly the fish curry is easy to make yourself too, right? Just throw some curry and fish together and you got fish curry, right? Yeah, curry is one of those easy meals, I think. Like, I'm just talking about those ones that you dump from a jar and you just add whatever protein you want to add and stuff like that. Like, I do not know how to do it from the traditionally with the spices or whatever. Normally, I would just dump the curry from a jar sauce. Yeah. This bread and dipping thing is not going too well, you guys. Mm. Now, this dish makes me want to go to an Indian restaurant somewhere and oh shit, and get some Indian food. This is like a little bit of a tickler, like a teaser for me. This is like not spicy at all. But too bad I still don't have my bank card, so I can't go nowhere still. So annoying. Because I called exactly last Sunday, so it's been like 6 business days already that I've been waiting. I'm just waiting for my card in the mail. And a few days ago, did I tell you guys that my mom actually gave me some cash money so I could buy some milk? Because since I came back from vacation and like I was gonna go buy milk after I got my money, and since I lost my bank card, and so I could not buy milk, and so I needed milk, and my mom gave me some cash money to buy milk. Even my mom was like, "Geez, how could you be so ghetto forgetting your card like that?" Mm. I could seriously make this 10 times spicier. But right now, I'm just using whatever I got right now. I actually remember though, like with my crazy banking situation I have right now, one of the grocery stores that I go to in the city here, they take checks for payment. And I actually do have checks from the bank, believe it or not. It's like, maybe if I'm really desperate, maybe I could just use the check. These chickpeas are really nice and firm. I thought this chickpeas is supposed to be mushy. Mm. Like, talking about curry, like I'm in the city here these days. Curry is actually very popular here, and at the grocery stores, every single grocery store chain, they sell like some form or some type of curry. Like the one grocery store chain that I go to, they like have a curry station, and they sell the boxes in different size containers and different price, and so you just scoop out the curry and you just pay for it. Or a lot of other stores, they have like some like a frozen curry product. A lot of grocery stores sells curry. Yeah, curry is very popular here. And I still need to do a book review video of this book. This is her 15th book, the newest book that she got. So I am gonna be doing it soon, and maybe you guys gonna go get a copy and start reading, and then I'm gonna be talking about it soon, and they're gonna be giving you spoilers. I think this naan bread is starting to fill me up, you guys. Everything's falling. I give up. I am very happy with this portions this time. It's like the 3 meals in a row actually all made leftovers. I'm sure this would be leftover too. So even if I don't have bank card, I still got food in the house to have. Yeah, this is so annoying. Like, I haven't been shopping for over a week. So annoying. Like, if I ever use a check to go shopping, it's like in all my years of shopping, it's gonna be my first time ever in using a check. And if you say, what? Using a check? That is so old school style. It's like sometimes the old school style, it saves the day. It's like they take checks and you got a check, and sometimes it saves the day. Calvin is going old school using checks for shopping. This is not spicy at all, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm done, and this is the leftovers, you guys, and my crazy banking situation continues, and I still do not have my bank card yet. So crazy. Like, hopefully by tomorrow I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be 7 business days tomorrow. Like, all right, you guys, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel, and I will see ya in the next one. Hey guys, so just an update for you guys. So my day is saved again, and so because the bank, they put it in like a nondescript privacy envelope, and so the roommates, I guess they just chucked it in the bottom of the pile somewhere because it's like a nondescript envelope, and so I found it at the bottom of the pile. And so this is the ghetto bank that I bank with, but it's free. And so what you gonna do when you're banking with the cheap bank? And so, got my bank card now finally, you guys. So that's the update.